Game I be ball nyame ball Sunday na. Yeah, games against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yeah, you know seen enemy na very tough because we have expectations from here and supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko so omo expectations here na was so and okay yeah you go home I think say mostly you know yeah to me every matches in nyina because the previous matches I think say you about draw 2 and you win 2 yeah the last 4 games I have nti a gamer where season so the first home I boy am Brekum and playing our first home game Brekum high and I think say supporters in the best expect more from us and preparation I yes we go so na we are ready say Ibema supporters na any agina me Sunday che fans ne say de bia menya kwanya na ade say dey na ya me sro mo say day in day out various matches I bono yentumi embo alone ye be win a supporters ne ka ho bi nti ye be sro mo say na me Sunday no supporter na omode my last season no yes so omomba in their numbers na omomba support ye se na be ya na me Sunday ye betumi ama omo nso omani age kopompa ye be win amom